Hello, my name is Diego. I'm the co-founder of Dcodify, which is a no-code, low-code app development agency. And in this course, I will be walking you through step by step how to build an AI app. And the goal is that by the end of the course, you would be invited to work with us and join our team for building beautiful, scalable, and monetizable apps for other solo founders or non-technical startup teams. And I will walk you through real quick. We're offering three service packages, helping people go from idea to MVP and helping others go from MVP to minimal lovable product. Something that the MVP is something users can use, and the minimal lovable product is a product that users can love. And so we'll walk you through how we're doing that using no code, low code platforms. And in this course, we'll be covering bubble.io, and I will be walking you through how to build Jabby. And Jabby is a personal project of mine that I've always wanted to build, but the technology wasn't really there for my skill set. If you're familiar with Shazam, Shazam is an app that you can, if you're at a restaurant and you hear a song, you can pull it out, record, and it'll tell you who the artist and what song it is. Um, for me, in my case, I spent 4 years living in Abu Dhabi. I went to NYU, Abu Dhabi, for 4 years, living uh, in a new city, new culture, and I found it really interesting that when I was walking around the city, I would hear recitations of the Quran, and there was no way for me to Shazam what I was hearing. And so the ability to pull out my phone, hit record, capture the recitation, and get a reference of what verse is being said, what it means, what's the interpretation. There was no way to do that until now. OpenAI has a new product called Whisper, which lets you do speech recognition, essentially. And so I will walk you through how to connect that to our Bubble app and basically create the Shazam for Quran. And so the goal here is to help non-Arabic speakers identify and understand Quranic recitations by simply recording snippets. The app will identify the verse, the chapter, the translation, and interpretation, and I'll give you a quick demo here. So if your volume is high, I recommend that you knock it down a little bit. مما نزلنا على عبدنا فأتوا بسورة. So that's something that you would typically hear walking around Abu Dhabi or Dubai, and in this case, you could find that out what it means in a couple of seconds. And so straight away you get the results, and then your result gets uploaded to a page where you can see everybody's results. So everybody that records a recitation, the interpretation and text will be in this page called Recent Jabbies. And so that's the whole app. And in context of our challenge is really to help you get to a skill set where you could build this in a day. So I built this in 5 hours. But as a beginner, I really believe that you could learn the basic tips and tricks of Bubble and OpenAI to be able to build this and build your own ideas. So at the end of the course, I would love for you to reach out, apply to join our team, because we have several other projects that we've been building for other founders. This one's Properting. Properting is for an Australian founder who wants to take care of leases, property leases, not by reading contracts and trying to analyze them, but just uploading them to the app and turning them into a dashboard that he can manage and learn without going through the nitty gritty details of the contract. And so the other one, this one was really cool. It's about having intimate conversations with other users in an truly anonymous, but you can share the conversation for other users to benefit from the insight. And you can like them, you can share them. And so without further ado, I'll be right back and open up our Bubble app.